Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Authenticator and restore codes easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Microsoft Authenticator, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. In the search bar, type Microsoft Authenticator. Press the search icon or button on your keyboard. Locate the official Microsoft Authenticator app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. If you are using an iPhone, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install completely. Once the installation is finished, open the Microsoft Authenticator app. You may see a welcome screen introducing the app's features. Follow the on-screen prompts to start setting up your account. To restore your codes, locate and tap on the Begin Recovery or Restore from Backup option. You might be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials if prompted. Once signed in, follow any additional instructions to access your backed up codes. The app will automatically restore your two-factor authentication codes. After the restoration process is complete, you will see your accounts listed in the app. Confirm that all your codes are present and functional. Now, you can use Microsoft Authenticator to access your accounts securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.